Hello. You can pass. But can I reverse pass? Oh? Something's going on. Do we know you guys? Who are you? Don't be so cruel. We've been waiting for you. Waiting? For us? Please, come with us. This isn't going to be another stupid baptism ceremony, is it? Hey, wait a minute. We're not trying to pick a fight. Keep talking like that and there's bound to be a misunderstanding. Leave this to me. Right, sorry. Why? Because she's a woman? Well, I assume you're not hostile. Not here. Let's go somewhere else. Come, follow me. Purple hair. It seems we have no choice. Shall we go, Faye? I guess. Unnecessarily extending the story. I want to ride the train. Oh, hold on a minute. Orchid. So that's gonna be Kaiser? Is this Kaiser's house? Or is this the champion's house? So, what do you want with us? The champ. No, I mean, Rico needs your help. Good to see they're still loyal to Rico. Help the champion? Hang on, what do you mean? You know what just happened? The special broadcast from the domes made by the committee. Yeah, you know, the broadcast is something like this. This evening, former champion was found guilty of attempting to assassinate the Kaiser, as well as breaking Imperial Code Section B. Thus, a public execution will be held at the arena. Yes, I know he got caught and was arrested. But what's this about an attempted assassination of the Kaiser? Those committee members, the champ probably got in their way somehow. The battling committee? Battling committee is made up mostly of people from the ethos. They used to have a lot of pull in the government. But the current Kaiser, Sigmund, ousted almost all of the ethos influence from the government. On top of that, these past 2 years, in order to strengthen the military or something, the Kaiser has started to interfere with the battling operation operated by the ethos. The Kaiser probably got in the way of them operating the battling smoothly, so they used the champ. Why Rico? Rico was originally born in this town, but because Sigmund waked up anti-demi-human sentiment. Demi-human? Those are what the Kaiser ethos we're referring to? Sigmund whipped up an anti-demi-human sentiment. Rico was chased out of this town when he was young. So Rico hated the Kaiser, the capital Nortune, and the whole Kislev Empire. And that's why they went after Rico. In the past, the champ has had many chances to kill the Kaiser. That the earlier crash into the box seat was disguised as an accident. But that failed too. The committee, fearing being exposed, used Rico. Champ is being manipulated by the committee. Please, Faye, help the champ. Hey, I'm the champ now. But bro, are you here? The supply, trade, times, dates, and destinations. I got them all, no prob. What? Hey bro, what are you doing talking with them? Hold on a minute. Hammer, tell me about those supply trains. Huh? Is it alright with these outsiders? It is alright, they are our friends. Oh really? Okay, next supply train's operating date is tonight. But if that's too soon, then the next one is... Hammer, did you say that a supply train would pass by here tonight? What? Tonight? There are trains passing through. But Bro, we need a thorough plan. Tonight is impossible. The situation has changed, and so have our plans. We move tonight. We move tonight? What the? Are you serious, bro? Did you hear any interesting tidbits of information outside? Well, the Doms are in an uproar over that Master Rico thing. Do you know any details? Rico is to be executed at the arena tonight, right? Master Rico's going to be executed? Is this true? Didn't you say there was one more route? Huh? Oh yeah, you mean via the arena, right? Bro, you're not thinking. Yes, I'm thinking exactly that. You said it may be possible to get out through the battling arena, right? I see. Then we probably can help the champion. Because they're just gonna allow him. Doc. It might just work. Wait a minute, bro. Might just work? You don't intend to just go bursting into the arena, do you? Either way, we're going to escape via the arena. So it's on our way, right? Then that means... No problem. It's just one more thing to do on the way to getting my gear back. Leave the rest to us. And I would like you all to go to the arena tonight. We will leave no tune, but if they think you were all involved with us, I do not know what they might do. We're counting on you, for the champ's sake. Sorry, we had to ask you to do this. I really appreciate what you're doing. Here, please take this. 2,000 bucks? Yeah. What am I going to use it for? Hammer, you hide yourself somewhere. When we get out into the arena, I'm just going to go wild in my gear. We'll play it by ear from there to escape from the Imperial capital. You got it, Hammer? So no trains? I got you, bro. Shut up your stuff from me too, bro. Hammer's probably gonna betray us at some point. There's still some time until the train passes by. Well, if everything is ready then, why not take a light nap? Fair enough, this is our house, isn't it? Does it have a save point? I might as well save after that cutscene. Let's take a quote-unquote light nap. Hey Faye, are you fully prepared now? There's no turning back after this. Yeah, what preparation is there? I don't see we can buy anything. I'm totally prepared. I guess they gave us one last chance to go and grind in the sewers for our death blows. There is still some time before the train comes. Let us rest here a little. Still don't understand why we have to come back to the dormitory to take a rest, but it is what it is. And so at night, the tower we want is over there. Hurry, Faye! The tower we want is over there. Okay, how do we get there though? We're supposed to reach this guy, aren't we? He was a train freak. Okay. How do we climb up? This is not a great camera angle. Okay, here we are. Sorry, I can't go into the arena. No matter what you say, I can't. Well, it's time. Tonight's train will be coming through here. I wish you success. Maybe we can meet again. Choo-choo! Hello? Don't tell me I have to like jump onto the train. Did I miss it? What? It's gone. It is gone. Well, Faye, the train will be here soon. Let us hurry up to the observation tower. Jump onto the train from here when it goes by. Okay. Should have told me earlier itself. Yeah, I guess we'll use this angle. That's where the train comes from, doesn't it? Do you have to talk to him again? Her again? Choo-choo! Jump! Did I make it? Whoa, what the? Great. When I actually managed to jump onto the train, it just crashes. Those are punks! Again. Faye, hurry, jump off! How? Wow! Why the somber music? What happened? Hey Doc, what should I do? The plan was a failure, I see. Since we cannot turn back time. Sorry, Rico. What? We permanently missed him? Oh, no. They only said jump off the train. I guess I was supposed to jump off the front end? How the hell? For a moment I thought we could just permanently miss Rico. I put a lot of work on him, you know. Jump! Okay. So what are we supposed to do now? Okay, so they say what the something happens, and then Saitan just says jump off. Those little punks, who? This train is almost falling apart. That was another close one. What if it derails before we get to the gear dock? This car is unstable too. Let us get to the front. One disaster after another. Pretty unreliable train. The entrance to the ventilation shaft that leads to the gear dock should be coming up soon. On which side? Here we go! Okay, they automatically jump. Okay, I don't have to do that again.